Don't know why you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me if I deserve this feeling. I thought that you know that we had something special till you end up all this way. Please tell me why you left me bleeding.
Good morning, my YouTube family. What's up, everybody? My name is Aska Akinyi. For those ones who don't know me, for those ones who are coming here for the first time, you're so welcome. Karibuni tena sana. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back again. Thank you guys for your support. So it's on a Sunday and we want to do some Sunday reset, guys. I want to show you how my Sunday was. So this is in the morning. I didn't clean our utensils at night, and I was just here cleaning these utensils. Then a quick clean of the house, like 40 minutes quick clean of the house, you guys. And then we are going to just prepare. We go to church and then spend the rest of the days. So guys, thank you so much. Stay tuned and kindly share a girl out. Don't watch this video alone. Kindly share me out if you can, and I will really appreciate. So yeah, guys.
With a broken heart, tell me why I deserve this feeling. I thought that you loved me. I thought that you need me till you end up all this way. Have you forgot all the moments while we had was so true? This storm was made for two.
So guys, ebu comment down below, are you a morning person or are you a night person in terms of cleaning your house? Yes, are you a morning person or a night person? Like, as for me these days, sometimes I feel so tired, and then I'll just clean the utensils in the morning. Like, sometimes it also depends with my shift. I'm still working from home, but I'm about to go back. Like, this year we are going back to the office, you guys. Like, I feel like, oh my god, but it is what it is. Change is good. Yeah, and change has to be embraced, whether good or bad. Everything that looks good comes with something bad, and everything like that looks bad has a good package in it. You have to be very wise and trying to look for that good thing in a bad thing. Yeah, the one that you feel is bad. Yeah guys, so that is it. So in times that when I'm just on shift, like mid shift, I normally clean in the morning because I have a lot of time in the morning. So I'll clean in the morning, and then maybe when I'm on morning shift, I have a lot of time during the evening, so I'll do everything at night, so that in the morning I'll just be doing my work, and that is it. So I normally keep on changing. I can't say that I'm a morning person, but normally I really love to sleep in a clean house, you guys, like super clean house.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
After cleaning, I went to take a shower because it was on a Sunday, and I'm going to church. So I'll just be giving my babies breakfast. I myself, I was not going to take breakfast. Sometimes I don't take breakfast when I'm going to church. Yeah, I myself, I don't take breakfast. So yeah guys, so let me just give my babies breakfast. For breakfast, I'm just going to give them chocolate and bread. trying to do? Nyam. Nyam.
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again,
Ukishikie unapo mtoto
steps back to then.
anataka kukua lakini ashikie.
I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Fewer late nights 'cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. Every now and again.
So guys, we came back from church and my sis is preparing lunch for us. What are you preparing for lunch?
Githeri.
Yeah? Githeri. Yeah guys, so we will just be eating githeri for lunch. Ile githeri ya waru. Thank you sis. I didn't even take tea by the way nikienda. Alafu guys, like hey, that a feeling when you just come back and you find that your sibling just did this for you.
Mom,
Yeah,
my books you see become
I'll give it out. I'll give you. So my sister did this for me. Aki, I'm so grateful. Hey, niliacha hii bedroom ikiwa shagalobogele. So guys, lunch is ready and this is lunch. Hey, dufu. Msaidie plate.
I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. It's all that I needed. I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that.
So guys, this is after eating lunch and I just decided to make this omena. So I'm going to show you the detailed way of just keeping your omena, the fried omena. Yeah, that way omena can stay for a longer time and also it's easier for you to just make. So I'm starting by picking my clean omena first and then separating it from the dirty ones that I don't want. But this particular omena was not so dirty. Yeah guys, so that is it. Let's just pick these particles and yeah. So guys, I'm left with kidogo omena over here to just pick, and I want to go outside and do like this. So here, this is the omena that I have. I want to fry all this to just secure meal, next week's meal. So I'll just soak it in hot water. I will not boil the omena. I'll soak it in hot water. Yeah, like that. So as I'm finishing, it's there soak. Just want it to soak a little bit, then I'll be washing it.
I needed. How the years go by, searching for the moments I'm a little less 25, a little less 25, a little less, searching for the moments I'm a little less 20, a little less 25.
So this is the first wash, and I'll just be washing it twice because this omena was not dirty. As you can see, even its water is not that dirty. If you want to know omena is not dirty, when you're buying omena, look for the gray one, like the one that looks gray, but the one that looks brown, it's omena that has stayed for a very long time. So guys, that is it. So this is how I do it. I soak it first in hot water, a lot of hot water, and then I'll just be washing it again with now cold water. Guys, this is the next step. After washing the omena so well, like you can see mine, they are so clean. Like I don't wash my omena with warm water, I just soak them in very hot water. That's nice. I want to remove excess water. Let me just do this. So this is salt. This is salt. I want to just sprinkle in some salt, not a lot, but just kidogo salt. So also this one I'll just sprinkle some salt. After a while, my omena is so dried, like it's even extra dry like than the other time. So I went to sleep, and yeah, it's so clean and dry. This is how it looks, like it's so clean and dry, like no single dirt. So I have my cooking oil over here. The one that I used last time to fry omena. So after the oil is ready, I'll just dip the omena. So today I didn't put enough salt. I've just tested, I didn't put enough salt, but it's still salty. So you normally fry it with some salt and then store while it's fried. It's good to store like this. Yeah, it's good to store like this. It stays longer when you store like this, and then it gives you some easy job. Even if you tell someone to, like me specifically, generally I cannot eat omena that mse mwingine amepika, not unless amepika kama mimi. Like I find it so hard kukula omena mtu amepika, because I don't know how mtu ameprepare and all that. Because I know how I wash them, I know how I pick them, like I just know how I myself prepare them. So if I do this and store, it can be easy for me to just tell someone pika ugali na omena na mboga. Like I just know they're going to put kitunguu and nyanya and some mafuta kidogo and just fry the omena. Yes guys, and then it also helps you to avoid everyday frying the omena, because you don't want also to eat omena ijafraiwa. And then there are also other ways to cook and then get nice omena. I'll show you the other way of just boiling this omena for like 3 hours. You just boil it until it gives you all the whatever, all the vitamins, all the nutrients, not vitamins, like it gives you all the nutrients guys. So I'll be doing that in another video. That one is normally so good, most especially when the kids are eating and even us adults, because all the nutrients zinafunga kwa soup ya omena that has been boiled thoroughly. Yes guys, so that is it. Actually omena is one of the nutritious meals. Yes, very nutritious. And that nutritiousness of omena comes in when you boil it. Like you don't just boil it, like you boil it for 3 hours, you guys. I'll give you that recipe, and then it can also be so good in your babies. So guys, the reason as to why you nini your omena, you anika your omena is because isikule mafuta mob. So guys, this is how it looks. My omena looks after some 5 minutes. Like it dried so well. So let me just remove it before it ungwas. Like it's so dry. So I love storing it when it's like this.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town.
Oh, Mama, you are eating. So guys, Pal is already feeding her and she's close to done. What are you eating?
Omena.
You eating with a bit and omena? Oh my god. With a bit and omena. You will hara. You will not. Atakunywa maji. Okay. So guys, that is it. So guys, that is it. We have come to an end of this video. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. God bless you sana sana. So this is how our Sunday has been. Okay, when you're cooking omena, you will just find that there's a lot of moshi omena kwa nyumbako. So after you are done, you will open the windows and the doors so that air can just come in. But guys, that is it. That is how we have just spent our Sunday. So it's 6. Actually, it's 6 and we are not even sure if we are going to eat ugali. We don't even know what we want to eat. I would have cooked some chapos, but I'm tired. Pal wants some rice. I think I want ugali, but I've ran out of tomatoes, so I have to go out and look for tomatoes. That is the most worstest part, by the way. I didn't want to step out, but I have to go out to look for tomatoes, you guys. So guys, thank you so much if you've watched up to that point. Mama, tell them bye.
Bye. Subscribe to my mommy's channel and put a big one like.
And put a big one like. And Louis, tell them something. Tell them something. Tell them something. Tell them bye. Tell them tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Tell them tschüss.
Tschüss.
Tschüss. Eat, mama.
Bye.
Eat.